Hi teacher and my dear classmate. So in this video I'm gonna talk what did I learn in this school with the hand with my pedagogical practice. But for the oil I'm gonna talk about what is the place that I did my pedagogical practice. I did my pedagogical practice in Strategia Lilay. I don't know if you know that. Strategia Lilay is a program of the UNAS with the objective to improve the English skill of the student. So, according to my pedagogical practice, I could carry out different kind of activity where I spread different terms or different kind of vocabulary. I remember that one of my students told me, "Teacher, your class is amazing. I learned a lot." That was very grateful to me to hear that, because I remember that he said he told me, "Teacher, I I couldn't learn English, but when I have class with you, I don't know, I feel so emotional that I learn a lot. Right now, I try to use my everything that you teach me in my daily life with my friend." That was so very funny to me. But yeah, I remember that I thought to him, "Man, you just need to practice." But that it was very interesting and funny history. Apart of that, I could analyze about the history and importance of the ACT in Colombia and the world, and important to use ACT in the education field. Uh, one more. Well, I could a lot of investigation about that. Well, that's it. Well, apart of that, I could found different page where I could use it to teach my English class. So that it was a very funny. Well, how to teach foreign language with the technology? Well, right now it's essential, it's necessary that you use technology in your class, because I don't know, 20 or 13 years ago, the method that was used in our class was the method of the test and translation. But right now, you can't do that, because our students need to speed, need to improve their English with the objective to improve uh, their life. So this is the reason that you need to use different kind of methods, but you need to technology where they can learn different kind of phrase, different kind of grammar, different kind of accent. But that is a really necessary, because in my class I always teach my students different kind of say. Well, I don't know if you can listen to me. I speak English, but I speak different. Why? Because I learn English with the Indian and Jamaican people. That is the reason that I teach them different kind of accent where they can use. But that's it. Thank you very much. Sorry, I know I have 1 million more, but it's okay. Bye bye. See you. Have a good week. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, teacher and classmate.